What's up, guys? I'm just gonna do a quick video on how I'm gonna replace my GTI's license plate bulbs from these halogen or whatever to LEDs. So I got this LED kit on Amazon, and it should just be plug and play. So this should just plug into the original socket. Then this looks like a ballast that tricks the car into thinking it has these old LED bulbs. There's a tab right here. You just grab that with your thumb and pull down, and it just falls out. Then there's this red tab that you pop up. It should come out. Let me do this with two hands so I don't break it. So after pulling this thing out, press this entire thing down, and then you pull outwards. So just be careful. This is the little tab. It goes over and clicks in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little test and connect this guy into the old place with that little tab. One-handed. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep it honest with you. I wasn't able to clip this piece in all the way. What I did is I just pushed it as hard as I possibly could into this socket, and I couldn't figure it out. But yeah, it's really bright. I mean, just this one thing is more than enough. So I'm gonna shove this crap all the way up in the bumper. Put this little lip on there and pop it back in. Will it hold? I don't know, because it's from Amazon. So we'll see how it holds, but new, old. All right, so here's how they look. This is kind of in a dimly lit garage right now, but you can see they light up the ground quite a bit. Off the lights and show you how it looks with all the lights off.